Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Palesa Seitelo to those who do not know me, and to my returning subscribers. We are back with another video, and Happy New Year, guys. It is January the 3rd and I'm in Cape Town, FYI, just in case you do not know. But yeah, it shall be clear by the title of the video. And what am I doing today? We're going to the beach. I'm going to the beach right now. Have my swimsuit on. Yeah, just wearing my brother's brand thingamabob. So yeah, you're gonna come with me on this trip. This vlog should have started way earlier, but yeah, we have started at least. So let's go. We're at Big Bay, guys. Guys, oh my god, it's been a while. Why do I look so dark? Okay, that's a little better. It is Thursday today, and right now I'm finally alone for like a second though. My mom and did I tell you guys who I'm traveling with? Probably not, but I'm with my mom and her best friend, or like her friend. So yeah, just the three of us. So right now it's Thursday, like I said, and it's currently almost 10. We're about to Uber to Waterfront because we are going on a boat ride, like a short little boat ride, as well as breakfast. We took it because it has breakfast, you know, instead of paying for that, going for food, all of that. And we're gonna go to the beach again. Like, honestly, that's all we're here for, taking pictures at the beach, or just relaxing and being in Cape Town. Nothing crazy. So anyway, I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. Nothing crazy, guys. I don't wanna lower the camera too much because there's a lot going on behind me, but for the most part, this is what I'm wearing. It's a white two-piece. These are shorts, like shorts, and inside I'm wearing a bikini, a pink bikini. Yesterday I was wearing a black one. Today I'm doing pink. I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to wear, what's this, the knits by me bikini, but hopefully tomorrow we don't have solid plans, so we were thinking of going to the beach and just taking more than one swimsuit to, you know, guys, this thing, right, it's a Forte Ferrari Saint. It's my brother's. So when it settles like on the body, it smells so good. It smells like musky, but it smells really, really good, even for a girl like me. So that's what I'm wearing. I also have a small little perfume that I can use, but yeah, let me go downstairs. We're gonna have coffee or make coffee, and then maybe we can have it while, like, on our way or something. So yeah, let me not waste any time.
First one to ever have me, 'cause I want you so badly. We can have a heart to heart, then get body to body. You don't have to try too hard, 'cause boy you got me. You don't have to ask me twice. You know it's on my mind. I wanna fall into you, wanna fall into deep. Baby, it's all for you. Come and fall into me. I want to go all the way. Take me there. I want you, baby.
I'm exhausted. Tired. Feels like it's been a long day. Are you going to the beach? Okay. I have another day, another beach day. This time we're in Clifton. So I don't know if they see me, but yeah, I'm in Clifton. But I haven't vlogged in a while, so this is very difficult.
What do you do? I can have brush. Check that now. Oh, you can do a voice over?
No, it's just gonna be videos of whatever. Or they will just have a. They'll have
So you was climbing today? What?
I hope so. No.
Oh, you want to be?
I want to be.
You can make money if you...
Yes, but the problem there's still a lot more stairs. Yep. Let's go. Clifton, baby! Your stairs are insane! Woo! Woo! Kuningi. Here by the stairs. Wow. Almost there. Almost there.
Anytime soon. Wow.
Another day, another tour, guys. I just forgot my headset in the room, so I just need to go back for that quickly. Otherwise, I'm done getting dressed. This is not even the final look. What was I saying? I'm done, right? Getting dressed. I look so cute, but first we're gonna go take pictures. This is not the final look, guys, but I'm wearing knits. I'm wearing my knit swim suit, and then I'm wearing a knit shirt, I think, is it called? t-shirt. What is it called? This thing, hemp thing. What is it called in English? T-shirt. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And yeah, we just need to call an Uber to go to the beach. Then after that, we're gonna go to the mall. Another beach day, baby. Guys, wearing this is literally should be my favorite thing. I don't know why it's not. I don't know why I'm speaking because you probably can barely hear me. But anyway, drip check, record me. We're back at Waterfront. I don't know if this place loves us or we love it. Back. We're back for breakfast or brunch and to return stuff that we bought yesterday. Thank you. Another day, another adventure. So these people are making me walk yet again. Yet again. They're making me walk yet again. So I'm gonna walk from Waterfront to... I'll tell you where we're going when we get there because I'm not sure anymore. I'm not sure anymore. I'm joking. I just forgot for now. But I have the directions on. So, Chebe koloi ke eo. Alright there, ba. Wena shebileng phone. I guess. That is it for me. I have so many bags. Why do I have so many bags? Anyways, my backpack, my handy, and then my suitcase. We're not leaving Cape Town just yet. Actually, we're just changing locations for now. Yeah, that is me for the day. I look hot, literally. This is my favorite thing ever. Though my camel toe is insane. But I love it. I think I'm gonna go back to the shop that I bought it and see if I can get another one. Anyway, let me go before my mom literally shouts at me. I haven't spoken to you guys in a while, honestly, like a while, but yeah, Cape Town, whoa. I don't want to leave if anything, but it's been so fun and yeah, I'm tired though, so I have to go home and think what is my think about how I want my 2024 to be like. Yes, English is running away. But yeah, right now I'm gonna take a bath and get ready because we are going home today. It is Sunday, so yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow when I'm home so I can properly close up the vlog. Guys, can you see where we are? Period. We're back. I look so dark, but we're back. Guys, look. I was in the sun. Okay, I don't know if you can see properly because yeah, but I can see it. I was in the sun. But anyway, guys, we're back home. Cape Town was amazing. Point blank. Period. Okay. yeah, I'm back now. Like, as I was saying, we went there for my brother's birthday, right? So we spent like 5 days there. So for most of the days we went swimming. We went to the beach, and that was so relaxing for some reason. Like, we didn't need to do a lot there. We just wanted to be in Cape Town. So we went to the beach on his birthday, and then we went out to eat. Yeah, so we went out to eat, and then we went to the beach on his birthday. The following day we went out to the beach again, but then we went to the mall first. We went to V&A, where I was just tired, I couldn't anymore. And we went to the beach, we saw the sunset. It was so amazing. And then the other day we went there for content purposes. You will see on my socials, as well as Knits by Palesa. I took a bit of content for that as well. And then what did we do? Oh, and then we went out for happy hour. We got so naked, okay, and that was amazing. Actually, I've always wanted to like get naked in Cape Town, but I think I would like to do that if ever I go with friends. So hopes and prayers that my next ever Cape Town trip is with friends. I would really love to do that. And then what else did we do? Oh, and then we went to visit my brother's friend from when he was studying there. We went to their home, we spent the night there. It was so amazing. They were so welcoming and everything. So yeah, that was my Cape Town trip. Right, so if it's messy, now I explained it. I guess when we went to V&A, we went to Zara, if you saw, somewhere along the lines, and I said I wanted this, but in a different color. I took a video of it and I said she was amazing in a different color though. It was like a cream white almost. So now I'm back home, right? Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. So let's open it. Honestly, I'm not gonna sit down. I just want to finish. Just gonna open it right here. This is what it looks like from the inside. This is not mine, so I'm not opening it. So yeah, drops box. So obviously, you know, it comes in this duffel. I have a duffel for the other one. I just don't know where I put it, because I really want to store it in there as well. But anyway, we open, and there she is. So when I saw it in person in Cape Town, I was like, love her, and I'm going to save up for her. But my friend said, say less, say less, I got you. Okay, so yeah, your friends would never. I'm joking. So yeah, guys, oh, I'm so thankful. Father Christmas did not forget me. So yeah, guys, you know how it goes. It has a zip on the inside and it's just open. So yeah, honestly, I can't wait to rock it. I can, like, period. Who is this? Me. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it until this far. Please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Guys, I was watching TV and then I went to go try and make food, and then load shedding hit. So I was like, let me do my outro. Back in the ghetto. Okay, guys, thank you. I'm in love and leave you. Thank you. Yes. Yes, yes. Hey, vele kay papela. Yes, yes.